In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Drive folders to enhance your organizational skills and make your digital workspace not only functional, but visually appealing too. We all know that an orderly digital environment can significantly boost productivity and reduce stress. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of transforming your Google Drive today. First, we'll start by opening Google Drive. You'll need to be logged into your Google account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your current folder structure. Think about how you want your folders to appear. A little bit of planning will go a long way in helping you make the right customizations. Now, let's begin by creating a new folder or selecting an existing one that you want to customize. To do this, simply right-click in the area where you want your new folder, or, if you're working with an existing folder, right-click directly on the folder name. This will open up a menu with various options. Select Add to Start if you wish to mark it as important, but we're focusing on customization today, so go ahead and choose Change Color. A palette of colors will appear. Choose a color that represents the theme or category of the folder. This is a fantastic way to visually differentiate between personal and work-related folders or to signify priority levels. Color coding is a form of visual shorthand that allows you to find what you're looking for at a glance. Select the color by simply clicking on it, and you'll see your folder automatically updated with the new hue. Remember, personalization is key to an effective organization. Aside from color coding, renaming folders to something that captures their content better can be invaluable. To rename, right-click on the folder again and select Rename. Be specific in your naming. For example, instead of merely labeling a folder as projects, try something like Client Projects 2023 to get a clearer overview. This detail helps not only in aesthetics, but in optimizing your workflow too. Once you've customized the look and names of your folders, consider how you want to share them. If these are collaborative folders, right-click again and select Share. This window lets you input email addresses of those you want to invite. Here, you can adjust permissions, letting others view or edit the contents as needed. Finally, it's important to periodically review and adjust your folder structure as your projects and priorities change. Customization isn't just a one-time task, but a continuous process that evolves with your needs. By regularly refining your workspace, you're investing in your productivity and peace of mind. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Google Drive folders. By using colors, renaming strategically, and sharing effectively, you're setting yourself up for a more organized and efficient digital life. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy organizing.